Welcome back again. So far, our workflow can already accept input and generate responses. But there's an important limitation. The model only knows what it was trained on and what we explicitly give it. But in many real use cases, that's not enough. We want workflows to work with our own knowledge. Maybe our documents, our files, maybe our internal information. And this is exactly what the Knowledge Retrieval node enables. It allows a workflow to access a knowledge base and retrieve relevant information when it's needed. In this way, the workflow doesn't rely on guessing. It looks things up first. So now let's continue with Knowledge Retrieval node. In the official document, you will see a lot of new concepts, such as the node level retrieval settings, the re-rank settings, re-rank models, top case, score threshold, metadata, etc. Seems very difficult, so I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's go to the workspace now. Before we use the knowledge retrieval node, we first need something to retrieve from, which means we need to prepare some files to retrieve. We just click the knowledge and click create knowledge. You will see there are three kinds of data sources: Notion, website, and from file. To make it simple, we just choose the first one, click from file. So now we have prepared two documents. The first is from this LLM official document. I have copied these pages into the knowledge2.txt, and also the knowledge retrieval, this official document, into knowledge1.txt. So files has been prepared. Let's try it. We just click browse and upload all of them. Okay, so we will not go into these details for these settings. You will see there are three kinds of settings. Okay, for this lesson we only need to know that the knowledge base exists and contains the information, so we do not use these values, other values. We just keep it as default. Click save and process. Okay, just waiting for a second. You can go to the document. Well, the status have shown available, which means this kind of two knowledge base can be used. Let's go to the studio, go to this workspace and this workflow. So now we have a user input. We also assign an input variable as A. Let's click knowledge retrieval. Set the query text to be A, because the query text defines what the workflow is searching for, and in most cases this comes directly from the user input, and this is how data from early nodes is passed into retrieval. So the next one, the knowledge. So this section defines which knowledge base the workflow can access. The workflow does not search everywhere. It only searches the knowledge you connect here. So now we have prepared two knowledge base. So we just click the plus sign, click the knowledge. Okay. So now they have been set right here. And you will also see a metadata filtering. The metadata filtering allows you to further narrow down what information can be retrieved. And we will leave this disabled for now to keep things simple. And also the retrieved content will be stored as this output variable. This is how the next node, usually maybe the LLM, can use the retrieved information. So the whole workflow first retrieves information, and then there will be a following LLM to use this information to generate a response. And let's just try it. We can first test what the output of the knowledge retrieval is. In our official document, let's find a detailed information. Right, like here, so it shows the image size limit is 2 megabytes. Oops, sorry. It's 2 MB. The knowledge size limitation is 2 MB. Okay. So let's test run, and we keep this one right here. So we are just asking what is the image size limit. So if we do not have the knowledge retrieval one, it will output nothing, right? But now let's see what it output. You'll see the content is query images, select an image variable, blah 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 blah. To search images, the image size limit is 2 MB, right? So that is correct. Let's see, the document name is knowledge1.txt. That is correct, right? Because this is the official document of the knowledge retrieval node. Okay, let's put an LM here and make the context to be the result from the knowledge retrieval node. And the system, the prompt should be answering you are a helper answering the user's question based on the knowledge base. So the knowledge base should be the context, right? And click add message. So here we just name the user request, or we say the user question is this, right? So let's test it. Also, input is what is the image size limit. Let's click the tracing to see its output. You see the output is the image size limit for uploads is 2 MB, right? It is correct. So if we do not have this knowledge retrieval node, the answer will absolutely not be 2 MB, right? It may search online for other information. Okay, and that is the difference. So that is all for the knowledge retrieval node. I think you have understand it. Okay, let's quickly summarize this lesson. The knowledge retrieval node does one very specific job: finding relevant information from a knowledge base. It does not generate answers, it does not make decisions, it simply makes information available to the workflow. Retrieval finds facts and the LM use them. In the next lesson, we will look at how workflows start making decisions. We will talk about the if and else nodes and how workflows control different passes based on conditions. I will see you in the next video.